Welcome to the world of trading, where success isn't just about having a solid strategy. Most people who fail at trading do so because their style doesn't match their personality. Imagine an anxious person glued to a 1-minute chart, burning out in days, or someone craving action forced to hold assets for months, getting bored and making mistakes. Today we're breaking down the 4 core types of trading: position trading, swing trading, day trading, and scalping. We'll explore time commitments, risk levels, and the pros and cons of each style so you can discover which fits you best. Let's dive in and find your trading personality match. Trading isn't one size fits all. Your personality plays a huge role in your trading success. If you're naturally anxious, fast-paced trading can be overwhelming. If you love excitement, slow trading might feel tedious. Matching your trading style to your personality is key to avoiding burnout and making consistent decisions. In this video, we'll help you identify which trading style aligns with your temperament so you can trade confidently and sustainably. Let's start with the slowest and most relaxed style, position trading. Position trading is all about the big picture. Position traders use daily, weekly, or monthly charts to spot massive macro trends. When they buy an asset, they plan to hold it for months or even years. They aren't concerned with daily price fluctuations or minor drops because they're playing the long game. This style is perfect for those who prefer a relaxed approach and don't want to monitor the market constantly. Let's look at the risk and time commitment involved. Position trading carries a low to medium risk. Traders use larger stop losses, so immediate volatility doesn't impact them as much. The time commitment is minimal, just 2 to 5 hours a week. This means you can focus on other activities while your investments grow slowly over time. It's a stress-free style, but your capital is tied up for long periods and returns are slow to compound. Let's break down the pros and cons. One of the biggest advantages of position trading is very low stress. You don't need to watch the screen during market hours, and you can avoid the emotional roller coaster of short-term price movements. Fewer trades mean minimal commission costs, saving you money in the long run. This style is ideal for those who value peace of mind and prefer a hands-off approach to investing. While position trading offers low stress, it comes with some drawbacks. Your money is locked away in long-term positions, making it unavailable for other opportunities. Returns are slow, and it takes a prolonged period to see your account grow. If you're someone who wants quick results or flexibility with your capital, this style might not be the best fit. Next, let's explore swing trading. Swing trading is the art of riding market waves. If position trading feels too slow, swing trading offers a faster pace. Traders hold trades for a few days to a few weeks, using 4-hour and daily charts to catch momentum shifts. The goal is to buy when an asset finishes correcting, ride the upward push, and exit before the market turns down. This style is perfect for those who want more action but still have a day job. Swing trading carries medium risk. Positions are held overnight, exposing traders to morning gap risks if news breaks while the market is closed. The time commitment is 1 to 2 hours a day, making it manageable for those with busy schedules. Swing trading is flexible and efficient, capturing explosive parts of a trend quickly. Let's look at the pros and cons of this style. Swing trading is highly efficient, capturing the most explosive part of a trend quickly. It's flexible, allowing traders to manage positions outside standard working hours. This makes it ideal for those with a 9-to-5 job who want to trade without sacrificing their daily routine. Swing trading offers a balance between action and patience, making it a popular choice for many traders. Despite its advantages, swing trading has some downsides. Overnight risk is a major concern. Bad news can break while you're asleep, causing the market to skip past your stop loss. Setups can take days to mature, requiring patience and discipline. If you're looking for instant gratification or dislike uncertainty, swing trading may not suit you. Next, let's move to day trading. Day trading is the fast lane of trading. Day traders buy and sell assets within the same day, never holding positions overnight. They use 5-minute, 15-minute, or 1-hour charts to capture intraday volatility. The goal is to close all trades before the market shuts down, avoiding overnight risks. Day trading is intense, requiring quick decisions and constant focus throughout the trading session. Day trading carries high risk. Fast execution is required, and mistakes can lead to instant financial losses. The time commitment is significant, 4 to 8 hours a day. Day traders must be emotionally stable and strictly focused as the pace is relentless. Let's examine the pros and cons of this trading style. Day trading offers some unique benefits. There's no overnight risk, so traders start each day with a clean slate. Daily realized profits allow for fast compounding of your account. If you thrive in high-pressure environments and enjoy making quick decisions, day trading can be exciting and rewarding. However, it's not for everyone. The downside of day trading is high stress. It requires immense emotional stability and strict focus. Executing multiple trades daily accumulates costly commissions, which can eat into your profits. If you're not prepared for the intensity, day trading can quickly become overwhelming. Let's move to the most extreme style, scalping. Scalping is the lightning round of trading. Scalpers operate on 1-minute, 30-second, or even tick charts. They aren't looking for major trend moves. Instead, they jump in with large position sizes, skim tiny profits in seconds, and get right back out. This style is all about pure lightning-fast execution, repeated dozens or hundreds of times a day. Scalping carries extremely high risk. Execution slippage or sudden price spikes can cause heavy losses. The time commitment is 2 to 4 hours of intense, absolute focus. Scalping is not for the faint of heart. It demands rapid decision-making and unwavering attention. Let's look at the pros and cons of this style. Scalping offers limited exposure. Being in the market for mere minutes minimizes systemic risk. There are infinite opportunities as minor micro-movements occur thousands of times daily. If you're quick, disciplined, and thrive on adrenaline, scalping can be highly profitable. However, it's also exhausting and addictive. Biggest downside to scalping is zero room for error. Hesitating for even a second can sabotage an entire block of wins. It's exhausting and can lead to rapid cognitive and psychological burnout. If you're not prepared for the intensity, scalping can quickly become overwhelming. Let's recap the 4 trading styles. You've covered position trading, swing trading, day trading, and scalping. Each style has its own risk level, time commitment, and personality match. Position trading is slow and steady, swing trading rides the waves, day trading is an intraday sprint, and scalping is lightning fast. Understanding these differences helps you choose the style that fits your life and temperament. Choosing the right trading style is about matching your personality and lifestyle. If you're patient and prefer low stress, position trading might be for you. If you want flexibility and efficiency, swing trading is a great option. If you thrive under pressure, day trading offers excitement. And if you love rapid action, scalping is the ultimate challenge. Let's look at how to start. If you're just starting out, swing trading is often recommended. It gives you logical space to think without the psychological panic of a fast-moving clock. You can learn market dynamics, develop discipline, and build confidence without overwhelming stress. Swing trading is a balanced entry point for new traders. Are you a patient position trader? You value long-term growth, minimal stress, and prefer to let your investments compound over time. You're comfortable with your capital being tied up and don't mind waiting for slow returns. Position trading is ideal for those who want a hands-off approach and steady progress. Are you a balanced swing trader? You enjoy capturing momentum, managing trades outside work hours, and balancing action with patience. Swing trading is perfect for those who want flexibility and efficiency without the stress of intraday trading. It's a great fit for people with busy schedules who still want to participate in the market. Are you a focused day trader? You thrive in fast-paced environments, enjoy making quick decisions, and are comfortable with high risk. Day trading requires strict discipline, emotional stability, and the ability to handle stress. If you're ready for the challenge, day trading can be both exciting and rewarding. Are you a lightning-fast scalper? You love rapid action, thrive on adrenaline, and have the discipline to execute dozens of trades daily. Scalping is intense and requires absolute focus. If you're quick, resilient, and enjoy micromovements, scalping can offer infinite opportunities, but beware of burnout. Choosing your trading style isn't just about profits, it's about sustainability. Consider your personality, risk tolerance, and daily routine. The right style will help you stay consistent, avoid burnout, and build long-term success. Take time to reflect on what matters most to you before committing to a trading approach. No matter which trading style you choose, risk management is crucial. Set stop losses, manage your position sizes, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Each style has its own risk profile, so adapt your strategies accordingly. Protecting your capital is the foundation of successful trading. Trading styles differ in time commitment. Position trading requires only a few hours a week, swing trading needs daily attention, day trading demands full days, and scalping is intense but shorter. Choose a style that fits your schedule and allows you to maintain balance in your life. Trading should enhance, not disrupt, your routine. Emotional control is essential in trading. Position traders avoid daily stress, swing traders balance patience and action, day traders need strict discipline, and scalpers must stay calm under pressure. Understanding your emotional strengths and weaknesses will help you choose the right style and stay consistent. Each trading style has a learning curve. Position trading is easier for beginners, swing trading offers a balanced entry, day trading requires advanced skills, and scalping demands mastery of execution. Start with a style that matches your experience level and gradually build your skills as you gain confidence. Market conditions affect trading styles. Position traders thrive in stable, trending markets, swing traders excel during momentum shifts, day traders capitalize on intraday volatility, scalpers exploit micro-movements. Adapt your style to current market conditions for optimal results and stay flexible in your approach. Trading requires the right tools and technology. Position traders use macro charts, swing traders rely on momentum indicators, day traders need multi-screen setups, and scalpers depend on fast execution platforms. Invest in quality tools to support your trading style and improve your performance. Developing a strategy is essential for every trading style. Position traders focus on macro trends, swing traders identify momentum shifts, day traders exploit intraday volatility, and scalpers master rapid execution. Test your strategies, refine them, and stay disciplined to achieve consistent results. Discipline and consistency are the backbone of successful trading. Stick to your plan, avoid impulsive decisions, and review your performance regularly. Each trading style requires a different level of discipline, but all demand consistency. Build habits that support your goals and stay committed. Trading can be isolating, but joining a community provides support and motivation. Share experiences, learn from others, and stay updated on market trends. Whether you're a position trader or scalper, connecting with like-minded individuals helps you grow and stay accountable. The trading world is always evolving. Stay informed, update your strategies, and continue learning. Read books, watch tutorials, and follow market news. Continuous learning keeps you ahead and helps you adapt to changing conditions, no matter which trading style you choose. Trading psychology is a critical factor in success. Position traders need patience, swing traders require balance, day traders must handle stress, and scalpers need rapid focus. Understanding your psychological strengths and weaknesses will help you choose the right style and stay consistent. Track your performance to identify strengths and weaknesses. Use journals, spreadsheets, or trading platforms to record your trades. Reviewing your results helps you refine your strategies and stay accountable. Performance tracking is essential for growth in any trading style. Markets change, and so should your trading style. Be willing to adapt as conditions shift. If your current style isn't working, try another approach. Flexibility is key to long-term success. Stay open-minded and adjust your strategies to stay ahead. Burnout is a real risk in trading, especially for day traders and scalpers. Take breaks, set limits, and prioritize your well-being. Trading should be sustainable and enjoyable. Protect your mental health and avoid overextending yourself for short-term gains. Confidence grows with experience. Start small, learn from mistakes, and celebrate your wins. Building confidence helps you make better decisions and stay committed to your trading style. Over time, you'll develop the skills and mindset needed for success. To sum up, trading success depends on matching your style to your personality, managing risk, and staying disciplined. Position trading, swing trading, day trading, and scalping each offer unique opportunities and challenges. Choose wisely, stay consistent, and keep learning. Your perfect trading match is out there. Ready to take the next step? Start by identifying your personality traits and lifestyle. Choose a trading style that fits and begin learning the basics. Practice with small trades, track your progress, and refine your strategies. Trading is a journey. Embrace the process and enjoy the ride. Thanks for watching. Where do you fit among the 4 trading profiles? Are you a patient position trader, a balanced swing trader, a focused day trader, or a lightning fast scalper? If you're just starting out, swing trading is a great place to begin. Subscribe for more trading breakdowns and stay tuned for the next video. As the video wraps up, an interactive end screen card appears with subscribe buttons and recommended playlists. Take a moment to reflect on your trading style and consider which approach fits you best. Remember, trading is about finding your match and growing with experience. See you in the next video.